In order to put a decal on this face here on the front, I'm going to make sure, so I'm going to come up to view orientation up here and make sure that I go to the front view. That way I know for absolutely certain that I'm putting it on the front of the toy, not the back, not a different side. At this point, I need to go to my SolidWorks add-ins tab and make sure that this one, Photo View 360, is selected. You will see a menu add that's called Render Tools. Okay, Photo View 360 gets turned on so I can see Render Tools, and you'll see this one that's called Edit Decal. Now, since you don't currently have a decal applied, when we click Edit Decal, that will bring up the tool to add a decal to our toy. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to come down here where it says Image File Path and hit Browse. This is where you will look wherever it is you saved the image for your decal. You will also need to click the surface to apply the decal to. Pick this surface right here. You get some control tools here to be able to resize your image, move it around, as well as rotate it if you need to. You can also, if you need to, switch images or save this if you're going to reuse it. After you're all done, you can click the check mark and you have now applied a decal. If for whatever reason you need to get back to the decal to change it, remove it, whatever, you come up here to the top where it says Appearances or Display Manager, and Decals is one of your options. I then have my decal here that I can click on, and if I double click on this, I come back to the same window where I can resize, rotate, or move it if I need to change something about it. As you can see, I also get some SolidWorks decals that are preloaded. You can drop these down, and if you'd like to, use any of these that apply for what you're doing.